Alright, we'll take courts for 5.
Courts for 5. Criminal law versus civil law. First hand I see. Go ahead, Megan.
Criminal law can...
5.
Oh, it's
4.
the individual versus the state and the consequences are prison and then we have civil law.
So, prison and what?
What do you mean prison and what?
You said prison and what? Or what?
Oh, their life.
Yeah, actually that's true. Criminal law is going to be dealing where you commit a violation against the safety of the community of the state. And the punishments potentially for this are imprisonment, or ultimately they could take your life if it's that hard. It's the state basically prosecuting you. What's civil? You still have it.
Yeah, the civil law is an individual versus an individual for their resources. For
Individual versus individual. What do you mean by resources?
For money and other individual resources.
You're suing for damages in a civil case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly, you're suing for damages. Click it, Alexander. Criminal law, state versus citizen, fines, liberty, and life at stake. Civil law, citizen versus citizen, suing for monetary damages. Click it, pick me a category. One more. Gotta go. 5.
Let's go with 5 points on articles.
Okay. List all you can. Click it. Vote of no confidence versus constructive vote of no confidence. You have it first. First hand I see is Melissa. She's got it next.
No confidence.
5. They've got it first, Melissa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, Melissa. 5.
If members of the governing party disagree with their own leaders in the cabinet, they can withdraw their support and vote no confidence.
Okay, that's true. Now I'll give you 5 for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And vote of confidence, vote in parliament to support cost of...
Okay, this doesn't sound good at all. 4.
Or
When can you, how does a vote of no confidence work? I'll give her a chance to figure this out. How, anybody in the group, how can you have a vote of no confidence? Because there's 2 real ways. 5, 4, 3.
vote in parliament, put the vote in parliament to support... God, why is my handwriting so...
Go ahead, Henry.
Well, I know one way, and that's where the Prime Minister tries to pass a bill.
Yes.
And it's not approved.
What kind of a bill?
It's normally an economic bill or some bill of significant importance.
Okay, a spending bill is typically actually what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other way that they can do this actually is if there's a specific vote of no confidence motion, and then ultimately that's accepted by a majority of the parliament. What is constructive no confidence? Go ahead, click it, Alexander. Actually, this was just a list all you can. Germany. Make sure that you look that one up. Constructive no confidence is you pick a leader. So not only are you voting, removing the existing prime minister, but in fact, you've got the replacement in mind already. And Germany is the one that typically does that. Go ahead, touch the house, Alexander. Touch courts 1 real quick. Common law versus positive law. Make sure you've got a good knowledge of those definitions of laws. Click it, Alexander, and touch the house. And then constitutions for 1. This is Britain, U.S., and Brazil. Brazil has the longest written. Britain has an unwritten. And the U.S., if you remember, has a very concise constitution. Totals, 50 for Lewis's group. Jack's group, 5, 10, 15, 20, 26. Wealthy Anna's group is number 1. Sam's group, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 63. So, if you would, Wealthy Anna's group, if you'll write plus 11. Sam's group, plus 9. Lewis's group, plus 7. Jack's group, plus 5. Fee's group, plus 4.
1 for each point.
1 for each point. Sign your names to a sheet and write this. Have a good day. You can stop filming. I'm going to post this, the video.